Gavana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ligori tukula lero arabe n'umuroberi bwo gotani gwako abobisa abarachi goswase cyabisi cyobokarari wa serikali ye kaunti yo ase cyabisi kinene hime ya Nyamira abisa bo batano no yomo ni go barachi goswa abisi unenchere ya moyo wekera ni meroberi hijonsi ye kaunti ya Nyamira Gavana Amos Nyaribo igaru gochika gochi asabo bisa bo gokorero bwene no bwasyoku ase meremo yabo likitofatiga Disemba noroboti rwasinjira yowekera
Umugavana oyo we kaunti ya Nyamira bono nigo airire chinga kecho na kuboria abao bisaba igabonsi bachorwa kira oyomo gokora emirimo yaje boikiranu na boigo tiba baisa wanchirana chinchira kya magendo egento kira baisege goturbania na kuirania e kaunti ya Nyamira maega
na mumanyete nere kolika abantu nere kubutabantu nere gotraining abantu nere gukora disciplinary procedures baba kuri mumube in county tuabera mu mwako mu mwata bwa die board but yaikire bono twainyoje background nene tigareta onko baboya wasama mabuta mono baikirane ase tuwente kwa ndotigareti umuntu yomo uyo nyordiwo cha interview yongori place within the shortest time. In the board members of Batano was secretary Oyomo, no more chairman Oyomo.
Nonye nabo umugavana oyoiga nigo atebire buna e county yiga ya Nyamira nigo yairanire maega asegeka angeki umwaka oyomo etabwati abaobisa ba Public Service Board egento keireire akongu nonya nukorikwa emeremo ase sector ao egento bono atebire buna ase amatukare bosio nigo nonya na sector area yobochenu abanyagitari barache korikwa.
For once, we have been without a board for 1 year. We have a shortage of health workers of 100 plus. So, as they come to the office, the first priority is to advertise for those jobs and take interviews, employ the best. By so doing, they would have supported the health sector and other sectors in the county.
Ensemo yaye umunyakirogo o Public Service Board Dr. Nyakang'o nigo ateba buna inse yoborai bwaye nigo arachikwene kyabuna okubwatirana okuyankororo orwase chinsemo kyonsi eryo kworobya emeroberio imeye county yiga ya Nyamira.
We are equally committed to fostering constructive and respectful working relationship with all county institutions. While each institution has its constitutional role, effective service delivery depends on cooperation, mutual respect, and shared commitment to the public good. I therefore look forward to working closely with the Office of the Governor, the County Executive, the County Assembly and oversight institutions, and all stakeholders in advancing the development of the county.
Kokwana egeke maega kubatianiwe abobisa baiga batano no yomo abobare Nyakang'o biri abochaberi Jacqueline Kenani Dr. Sabrona Yera CBA Geoffrey Bongoye na boigo Charles Maugo nigo ebirengererio aho byabere bikobwatokwa anene kurwase abamenyi be wodi ya Itubo imeye bunge ya North Mogirango maega yoyo mobo asireta Geoffrey Bongoye kochorwa buna omomemba o Public Service Board
kwa Kennedy Moga no moko mwana bitukoria rero twagire kuyu mwana Geoffrey asoko ewe kirobya Public Service Board Nyamira togwa kiromo gabano itombi yamono asoko tuinyura
eliyetambiria murabongoye tugwe kanisa nyabukiani igona gokeiro mwana chobu iganya samo senye nande twanyorire baita nene emechando yaitu ntabe tokomweresa
Chingaki echecho nigo abamenya baiga kobomo basabire abaiga bonsi bachorwa baineke buna bakoreire umunyamira emeremo eria ekororekana
bone kwende yachorwe service sport yachorwe ekora abantu banyamire gas toroche kurumaga konyekinya bitari cya kwamire binte binge bya kwamire igo bono ntono kwege nanga guchaka bono kuchimotwa account ya Nyamira mo chande bwate ono nguchire kurwege sunteime obaborekana abantu baminto mwanjira boigo
Kingo reporter Getembe kuraiga somo chio manene o Nyamira oyo gotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango inje Fatigad Kisemba.